All right, let's get into it. Happy Beauty Tip Tuesday, guys. Today I'm gonna film a tutorial because it's wash day. Yes, it's wash day, and it's not my favorite day, but I don't hate it, but it is a process. So let's get right into it. I actually was about to film another video and I realized that my hair needs to be washed, so I kind of pivoted and now we're here.
So what you're going to want to do is completely saturate your hair with warm or cool water. You don't want to use super hot water just to get your hair wet. And using my Serena Key Pure African Shea Conditioner, I'm actually going to do a co-wash on my hair today versus a shampoo and conditioner, just because shampoos have pretty much been stripping my hair a little bit too much, making it really dry and brittle. As you can see, I'm using only my fingertips to kind of massage my scalp, while I'm also gently pulling my microlinks down to get in between, I guess, those parts to make sure I really get to clean my scalp. I'm also using a wide tooth comb to gently detangle and comb through my hair while the conditioner is on my hair. It makes things much easier when you're washing it out, and also when you get out the shower, your hair is pretty much detangled. Also by Serena Key, I'm using the Repair Butter. My hair was feeling a little bit drier than usual this day, so I decided just to go in with an extra treatment. This is pretty much really good for damage repair or really dry hair. I think I'm due for a trim, but this will have to do until I get to the salon.
Okay, I think that's enough. The instructions on the package say that you should leave it on for 2 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it on for 3 because I'm extra. And I'm gonna go get my next setup so that when I wash it out, I can just right into that. So BRB in 3. Okay, so now we're back. Our hair is nice and clean, washed and looking, smelling good. So there's a few things I do before I go right into, I guess putting heat on it. So what I live and stand by is the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Protector, or yeah, heat protector, flat iron spray. It's a flat iron spray, but I use this pretty much for anything, obviously. Anytime I'm gonna put heat on my hair, and I just washed my hair, this is what I'm gonna put on. The ends, and I'm gonna leave it like that. And now we're gonna go into sectioning my hair. About 3 elastics. So 3. And I'm gonna section my hair into 4. So I'm gonna go like this. And section it down the middle. Here. I just broke my nail. Woo! Video would have been done. I'm joking. And then you're gonna section this one into 2. Let me see if I can show it. So I don't know if you could see the weft right here. So I'm just gonna pretty much make sure that when I'm sectioning my hair, I'm not going and digging into it and going under the weft. You're almost going right on top of it. So I'm kind of feeling around and then sectioning it. So there we go, like that. And now we have a section of hair out at the back, right? And I'm also going to go on with my Revlon hair treatment. My hairstylist pretty much swears by this. I've always been very scared of using certain products that aren't branded for black girls. My hair is usually like 3B, 3C, 4A. Really depends on what part of my head we're looking at. So this is pretty much what works for me. But obviously use whatever you guys are comfortable with. And I'm just going to add a little spritz. This is a, I didn't even tell you guys what it is. It's a all-in-one hair treatment. So it's great for shine and frizz control, heat protection, again, repairing dry and damaged hair, silkiness and smoothness, hair color protection. So it's really for girls who dye their hair. It's going to keep it that nice vibrant color, easier brushing, detangling, long lasting split-ins, adds body, a lot of stuff in here. Now we have it detangled. I'm going to split that section of hair into little and baby sections. So we're going to go like this. Usually I like to go right, I'm going to do the kitchen first. So this is the kitchen. For people who don't know what a kitchen is. like that. Now we have our other elastic. We're gonna go like this. And we're going to go in with my favorite blow dryer. It's a blow dryer with a brush. This is revolutionary, guys. This is serious stuff. Oh, by the way, I always use my settings on low, FYI. We are blow dried straight. Yes, it's poofy, but this works. Now I'm gonna go in with Kukui. I think that's what I say, Kukui oil. It's by Ox. Wow, I probably just totally butchered that name. But you know when you just see something in the store and it's like you're used to buying it, but you never really realize what brand it is. But I get this in the beauty supply. Lucky for you guys, the price is still on there. And then you're gonna switch your blow dry. If it has a cool setting, I'm gonna put it on cool setting, and I'm gonna blow dry it all over just to make sure, I really make sure that product is in there. You know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna flat iron this bad boy. So everybody knows how to flat iron their hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I do just to get it started, and then I'll do the rest off camera. It's kind of awkward doing it when my mirror is over here and up there. And now we're all flat ironed. Look at that shine, y'all. Super cute. Typically, if I'm just gonna be in the house, I would never like add more heat and put a style to my hair. But for the sake of this video, I'm gonna do a little something, something. So yeah, what you're gonna need. What should I do? Should I do crimps or should I do curls? I think I'm gonna do crimps. Because it's faster. So I got this really cute crimper, also from Amazon. Probably paid another $30 or $40 for it. What kind is this? I don't know if this is Revlon or what. I don't know, I think it's a Revlon. Revlon, is it? So I'm just gonna put that right on there. I can already feel like it's not hot enough, but see if it does some. Okay, my hair is done. I hit it with the crimps and then just put it up in a little half up, half down do. It's cute, I know. And that's it. If you need to know what, or if you want to know what I used to kind of hold my hair, I use the Dove Style Care Extra Hold Spray. So I use that to kind of keep my curls nice and crimped, but also what I like about it, it's super soft, so it still looks movable. It's not like that crispy feeling either, which I love. And then just for my edges to get, you know, them together, because us fat girls need, you know, a little extra. I used my Tiggy bed head. What is this technically? Oh, a hair stick. So it's basically like a gel, I guess, right? But anyways, listen, this is secret truth. This is nice. That's all I can say. This is nice. This is great. I really like this one. It's weird. I have not figured out where to get it in Canada yet. I always have to buy it from Amazon. I feel like I'm buying it for way more than it's worth, but if anybody knows where I can get this in Canada, let me know, because your girl's running low. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next week.